In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an event, invite guests, and add a video call so everyone can join with one click. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for this meeting. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares, and then choose Calendar. This opens Google Calendar in your account. Once you're in Calendar, click the Create button near the top left. A quick event panel will open. From here, choose Event. This ensures you're creating a standard calendar meeting rather than other formats. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title so everyone knows what this is about, for example, weekly meeting. Next, set the date and time. Use the date picker and time fields to select when your meeting starts and ends. If it's an all-day session, you can switch that on. It's also a good idea to double check the time zone displayed so your guests see the correct time. If this is a recurring meeting, set it to repeat. Choose the frequency, daily, weekly, or a custom schedule, and make sure it matches how often you plan to meet. If it's a one-time event, you can leave this off. Now add your guests, click Add Guest, then type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. As you enter each address, confirm it so they're added to the guest list. This lets Calendar manage attendance and reminders for you. To make the meeting easy to join, add Google Meet video conferencing. Click the option to add Google Meet, and Calendar will generate a unique joining link directly inside the event. Next, check which calendar this event belongs to. Click the calendar selector and pick the correct one. For example, your work calendar, so it appears in the right place for you and anyone with access to that calendar. You can also choose an event color to keep things visually organized. This color mainly affects how the event looks on your own calendar view. Before wrapping up, take a quick moment to review everything. The title, date and time, repeat settings, guest list, and the Google Meet link. When it all looks good, click Save. After saving, it's normal to see a prompt about notifying guests. Go with the option that fits your needs so everyone receives the details. That's it. You've created a Google Calendar meeting with a title, schedule, guests, and a built-in Meet link ready to go.